know once told me that when one is afraid, even greatness is viewed as imposition. This line of thought struck me as I could relate it to my experiences in dealing with people. I realized that sometimes people view you as a competition without even your knowing. The battle within to subdue your guts, which in turn reflects in their actions towards you. At times, I do not know if I am right or wrong in my line of thoughts. I do not know if I am good or bad. It gets so confusing sometimes. But what I do know is that I am a perfect creation drowned in human imperfections, constantly yearning for a perfect touch. See, proving how right and smart and correct and strong we are all the time is not really healthy. Spare yourself the stress sometimes and just be happy knowing you are human. Yes, a spirit being maybe, but clothed in human skin. It is not your duty to feed the insecurities of shallow minds. Such a discipline will simply maintain smiles on your face and peace in your soul. This is me accepting my healing thoughts. You have a nice day.